Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove specific parts of your video using the CapCut video editing tool on your PC or laptop. Not necessarily at the beginning or at the end of the video, but let's assume in the middle of the video, and I'm going to show you how to make that happen without having any advanced video editing skills whatsoever. So start by adding your video clip from your library to your timeline here in CapCut by moving it to your video track here. And what you want to do next, guys, is move your playhead with your left mouse to the moment or the second mark where you'd like to start the cutting. Let's say to the 4-second mark, just for demonstration purposes. And what you want to do after that is click on that button here, split, or use the shortcut Ctrl+B on your keyboard. And now if I click on the play button here in the preview window, I would say I would like to cut out the part that goes up to the 6-second mark. So move your playhead here on your timeline to the 6-second mark and repeat the same process. Click on that split button here or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. And that's basically it. In the last step, simply right click on the middle part of your video, the part you would like to cut out, and select delete. And that's basically it. As you can see, that part has been successfully removed from your video. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.